Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the developer console so commands will register. Open the engine configuration file in Documents \mount and Blade Roman 2 Bannerlord \configs and back it up. Then set the debug or cheat flag to true and save. Once done, launch the game and press the console key ~~ or F1 depending on your build. You must run the game with the same account and permissions, otherwise the console won't accept commands. Keep that backup in case you want defaults restored. Now you enter commands and observe results. Type the full command name, then space-separated arguments, for example, campaign. Add gold 1000 will add money instantly. You'll find some commands require quotes around text arguments, so use them when needed. Once done, press enter and watch the in-game state update. A log or chat line often confirms success. If unsure, try a non-invasive test command, first to verify behavior before running cheats that alter saves or progress. Finish by saving your game and making a restore point so you can undo unintended changes. After you're done using console commands, make sure to revert the config flag to avoid accidental activations or online penalties. If the console does not open, make sure you launch the same profile that edited the config, run the game as administrator, and confirm the config file is in the correct documents path. If problems persist, verify the game files through your launcher and reload the backup config.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.